I'm Shyamanta. I'm from Guwahati, but I'm staying currently in Malvinagar, Delhi. I'm working for the Ministry of Power as a consultant. So I'm working for the public sector enterprise called Energy Efficiency Services Limited. I'm an electrical engineer by qualification and I have done my MBA in marketing. So I have worked across various functions in the last 10 years. I have worked in operations, I have worked in business development, I have worked in sales, then I have worked in pre-sales, I have also worked in key account management. So what I found is that working in various brands across industries, also in startups, I have seen that data has a very crucial role to play. Now we were looking at data from a very minor perspective earlier. So we only used to look at from one business point of view, but now slowly and slowly, like when now it's the time of data, and as soon as I realized we have to deep dive, otherwise we'll be losing our edge from competition point of view as well as from business point of view. So after 10 years of time and after 10 years of my career experience, then I thought of deep diving into data. So to deep dive into data, I definitely needed some guidance. So then I researched about such institutes. I was researching about such institutes from quite a long point of time when I came to Delhi, and then finally I decided to go ahead with ATH. I had gone to various other institutes. When I came to ATH, it was just a straight single shot for me. Then I decided, I'll have to go ahead with it. And the best part about it was the team, definitely, and the training experience as well as the education that I got. So like we started with Excel, definitely. Then we moved on to currently we are doing Power BI. We had done SQL also. Now these things, Excel I had already done before. But SQL, no, I never did SQL because I'm not from the tech background. So like I'm from the core engineering background. And then I had a chance to work in Power BI. Now currently as we are doing Power BI and I'm in the P3 batch, from the P3 batch, I got to look at data from a very different angle. And I could never think of working with millions and millions of data at one point of time. That we could play with data in so many ways. So that was the best part. And about the training, the best part about the course was that the way the course foundation was laid out, and the materials, definitely it had helped me in the last few course of months to take myself up and scale myself up also, because I have been able to implement the same in my like wherever I'm working currently right now. I have been able to implement those skills in my organization also, and I believe it has helped me quite a lot. And now I could also suggest my senior management how to look at data from a different perspective. So definitely I believe as the trainer always says, Anil sir always says that we have to practice. So that's the key important takeaway that I got. And definitely overall the team was really helpful for the journey, and I'd like to thank ATH once again. So thank you.